Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to capture a selfie using the gestures on your Redmi Note 14 Pro or the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So all you have to do is launch the camera app on your device. And then within the camera app, all you have to do is simply switch to the selfie by tapping on this icon at the bottom right corner. And then once you switch to the selfie, simply tap on the arrow at the top of the screen and then find the shutter type option, select it, and then enable the palm shutter. So tap on that. And then once you're done, you can head back to the selfie camera, and then all you have to do is simply show your palm on the camera, and that should take a selfie with using your gestures. So let me just try that one more time. So just show your palm. So once you show your palm, you'll see a 3-second timer, and that will take a selfie. So simply align your palm to the screen of your phone. So align it on the phone camera, and that should take a selfie using the gestures. And there you go, just successfully taken the selfie without touching the phone. So that's basically it on how to take a selfie using the gestures on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.